Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a canvas painting kit. First, let's get organized. Lay out your canvas, a selection of paints and your brushes. Make sure you have a palette for mixing colors. Set up your creative space in a well-lit area, perhaps near a window, and protect your surfaces with newspaper or a drop cloth. Don't forget a cup of water for rinsing brushes and some paper towels for drying them. This preparation ensures a smooth and enjoyable painting experience. Now let's dive into the fun part. Color. Squeeze out small, pea-sized amounts of your chosen paints onto your palette. Remember, a little goes a long way. Try mixing primary colors like red and yellow to create orange or blue and yellow for green. Before touching your canvas, practice various brush strokes on a scrap piece of paper or an old canvas. This helps you get a feel for how the paint behaves and how different brushes create unique textures. With your colors ready, it's time to begin painting. Often, it's best to start with a light, thin base layer to establish your main shapes and colors. Think of it as sketching with paint. Gradually build up your artwork by adding successive layers, making each layer slightly thicker or more detailed. For best results, allow each layer to dry partially, perhaps for 15 to 20 minutes before applying the next. This prevents colors from muddying and adds depth. As your painting nears completion, step back and assess your work. This is the perfect time to add those crucial final details, highlights and shadows that bring your masterpiece to life. Once you're satisfied, it's cleanup time. Thoroughly rinse your brushes with water until all paint is removed. Then gently wash them with mild soap. Reshape the bristles and let them air dry. Store your paints and brushes neatly, ready for your next artistic adventure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.